process. Don't be jacking things. You're jacking a Mercedes. You want to be driving a BMW. Oh, don't rush the process. Don't rush the process. Don't compete with other children. Let them buy their BMWs. It's fine. Concentrate on your own journey. Run your own race.
So nazi bahlezi esizisileyo abantu abadala so sithi sizibusise even kungaza sithandazela ntoni ukuthi kuze more next time ingabe izimpahla beziyi-food parcel for abantwana bakwazi ukunxiba baye esikolweni for nani nikhona ubashapho but ezilapha zezabantwana ngobuninzi so nizakhetha umuntu akhethe so siyabulela abantu abadala.